works really drive me crazy, man. The meetings aren't stopping, and all this work and no play just made me a very dull boy.
I know, man. It's quite the task. I think it's time we take a break.
Sure.
Let's go find something fun, adventurous to do for us to re-energize. Wait, let me check. Hey, why don't we head out for some kayaking, and that too in Goa?
That sounds interesting. In fact, why don't we make it better? Let's just drive down to Goa. Let me just
perfect.
check with a few pals. Okay, I think the kayaking and the drive to Goa has got a lot of people interested, and we're at least 4 or 5 people going now.
5 people, really? Dude, how are we going to fit in with all our luggage? We'll need an SUV or an MPV.
Nah. I have a very simple solution for this problem. Check it out. Our reason of choice for the Renault Triber was pretty simple. We needed a car that was compact, could carry 5 passengers in comfort, and carry their luggage as well. Now we also needed it to take us to our kayaking spot, so it needed to have good ground clearance, and the Renault Triber checked all those boxes very effectively. But what remains to be seen is how it covers the next 1500 kilometers of varying terrain. So let's go.
Hey buddy, so where are we going for this so-called kayaking experience?
So this is a place in Chikkalam in Goa. It's called Goa Kayaking, and it's about 650 kilometers from Mumbai.
Chikkalam, huh? Let's see where that is on the map. Wow, that's quite a large screen out there.
It's not just a large screen, it packs in a lot more. On long drives, a good infotainment system is a must. The Triber's 8-inch infotainment system has a crisp display and very good touch sensitivity. And it also packs in Apple CarPlay along with Android Auto to make life even more convenient. Hauling a full load of passengers and their luggage demands an efficiently performing engine. Now the Triber comes with a 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine, and you might just think that this might be a little lacking when it comes to performance, right? But make no mistake, this isn't just any 1-litre engine. With dual variable valve timing technology, this energy engine makes 71 bhp and 96 Nm of torque. More than the figures, it's how well tuned the engine is that makes all the difference. And thanks to that very tuning, the Triber is just effortless to drive no matter the road conditions. Even the gear ratios are very well spaced, giving the Triber very good drivability for city and highway road conditions. Even when it came to the fuel efficiency, the Triber did not disappoint. With a mix of steep kart sections laden with potholes and the butter smooth NH4, the Triber's fuel efficiency figures were always a tad above 14 kilometers per litre, which is excellent considering the load and the terrains. We've reached Nipani, and the Tribers effortlessly managed to munch over 400 kilometers. Our destination Chikkalam is about 200 kilometers more, which I think we should be covering in about 2 hours. For now, I'm famished because we skipped lunch in a bit to make more time, and I need to get something in my tummy. Ciao! With 5 people on board and their luggage meant the Triber was always in life mode, with us using all of its massive 625-litre boot space. Space is something that the Triber will never run out of. Plus, with middle seats that slide and adjust for recline, and the last row that can be completely removed and stored away, there's plenty of passenger and luggage flexibility that comes as standard on this Renault. And it's not just the space, but the Triber's twin glove boxes meant we could pack in a lot of stuff in it. The cool storage in the center console was another big boon in the hot temperatures, as it kept our water and beverages nice and cold. "625 kilometers and almost 20 hours of driving, and we finally reached Vasco in Goa. 20 hours because we got a lot of bad section of roads and we had to take a really long detour. But day one has finally come to an end and we can't wait to hit the sack. More of this tomorrow. All those hours of stressful driving, we're finally here to relax. And how are we doing that? We're going to do that by kayaking on the backwaters of Goa. Now this should be interesting. If you're coming to Goa, kayaking is one of the water sports that you must try. An hour of rowing in the water not only is good for your forearms, but it's therapeutic as well. And we really loved it. I think it's time to get back into the Triber and explore more of Goa later. It's just perfect, isn't it? You've got a nice view of the sea, you've got clear white sand, and it's not even getting in your pants thanks to our very own seats.
True that.
So Kunal, tell me, how was your Goa experience?
The Goa experience was absolute perfection. Feel completely rejuvenated.
Well, that's good because that was the whole intended idea of the trip, right?
True that.
And what do you think of the new Renault Triber?
The Renault Triber was very, very, very comfortable. I'm actually surprised of how much space it offers and how practical it is. Plus, that 1 liter engine just munched the miles effortlessly.
Yeah, that was pretty surprising. Even with that 1 liter engine, we had no qualms about, with the performance, right? It just
Not at
went
all.
on very easily, very comfortably.
True.
I completely agree with Kunal. We can't wait to do this again, and only this time we need to explore even further in the new Renault Triber.